So this is the house that is on sale from the outside. So we will go in and see how it looks in the inside. Come with me. Come with me. So we have a car park that can fit one car perfectly well. Right there. We have a front shop right there. You can have your business there. Yes, it's a spacious shop or duka, you can say. And remember, the entire plot sits on 33 by 66 plot. So let's go inside and see the rooms. So we have two spacious sitting rooms right here. That is from one side. That is on one side, and then we have this other one here, another spacious sitting area, or rather sitting room right there. And yet we still have our dining area right there. You can see it has 8 seats. So if you have a large family, it can accommodate you very well during your dinners and breakfasts and everything. The beautiful light right there and some good finishing. As we go into the kitchen area, and here we entering the kitchen area with the sinks right there and your space for the fridge, some good finishings, space for your cooker, everything. As you can see, the dining room from the kitchen, very nicely spaced, spacious. So from the kitchen area you can access the kind of a backyard that you have space for washings and cleanings and laundry. And the opposite side has a spacious store in there. There's a store. You kind of cannot access it fully, but there's a space for a store right there in. And coming back on top of the store, you'll find a space where you can place like a 5,000 liters of a tank right there. Yes, let's go back inside and check the sleeping areas and the rooms. So this is the first bedroom, right at the ground floor. You can have your beds for your guests. You can even accommodate up to 3 beds, I think. You can have a double decker right there, maybe, if you wish. There's a space for a seat. And right opposite, if you want to entertain your guests, maybe in the rooms, they can have there's a space like for a TV. You can place your TV right there. So yeah, very spacious, very spacious. Let's go upstairs and see the other rooms. And right outside there's a sink, maybe for cleaning, and there's a rest area, the toilet. where your guest maybe can shower. This is the first bedroom that I just showed you on the ground floor. Just like that. Just to mention, just next to the toilet there's a store, a special store just right under the stairs or going upstairs. There's a store, you can place some of your items in there. So let's use the stairs and go upstairs and see the other rooms. Yeah, they're neatly placed, nothing worn out. It's a fairly good house, new house, not old. Yes, we're here at the top floor. So right out of the stairs, on your left we have two bedrooms. So let me take you to this one first. It's spacious as well, with some stuff right there. You can place a huge bed right there, some 6x6 bed. You have your closet right there. You have the restroom for this one here, for this bedroom right there. Looks good. Yes, let me take you to the next bedroom, right next to the first one. Yes, it's another spacious one. You can see that bed right there is 6x6, and all this space left. You can place your decorations on the walls. Yes, neatly placed like that. You can have your TV right there. You know, such a nice place. Okay, let me take you to the other bedroom. Okay, yes, here is another one to the right. You can have your family members, maybe. I don't know how big your family is. Yes, you can have your beds, decorations and everything. It's another nice room right there. You see, well finished, well painted. Ceilings are still intact, very well. After you buy, whatever you can do, it's up to you. Take it to another room. This one is it's a bit smaller, maybe for your baby, making more babies, huh? Another room you can see, nicely done. This one doesn't have a closet. Maybe it can be for children. Yes. In between these other bedroom, there's a smaller store here as well. Man, there's a lot of storage in here. So whatever you have in the store, it will be amazing. We said about having bedrooms to the left and the other ones. So to the right is the master bedroom. It's the master bedroom. Let's go in. There you can have your large bed. You can change if you want. You can do it how you like it. You can see the ceiling, well and neat, nice. Let me take you to the restroom for this master bedroom. Very spacious right there. Very spacious. A nice seat, the toilet, decoration, your shower. See, it's almost like a room, man. Very spacious, nice one. I like it. And on this side you have your TV space. You can place a bigger one if you like. The closet area, you see, the closet area. Let's open. You can see you can place your clothes in there, well and nice like that. Huge bedroom, huge bedroom, huge bedroom. The floor well done, and the tiles, the tiling. Nice one right there. So right there is a balcony area. Let's open and see it. Sorry about that. The balcony area. Yeah, spacious, good security. You see, you have your breeze right here and chill. See, nice place. I can't forget to mention that the stairs are really spacious, really spacious, really spacious. So I almost forgot to mention that right inside the front shop, we have you can see we have a tank. We have a tank in here with a capacity of 10,000 liters underground tank. Okay, 10,000 liters underground tank. Such a huge one, eh? So the supply for water, man, if you feel well, you won't run out of water. So this is NICO Properties. This is the contact person. You'll be able to contact him for the house. So Nicholas, say something.
Hello, good people. This is NICO's Empire. This is a place where we offer the best, and that's why you have no choice but to join the best, and leave the rest. So, without wasting time, today we are showcasing a wonderful building there. As you can see, this is a 6-bedroom stuff. Was for only 13.5 million Kenya shillings.
Only. Yes.
Slightly negotiable.
6 bedrooms,
So
2 sitting rooms.
It sits on a 33 by 66 plot.
Car park and everything.
Car park and everything. So everything is perfect. So you can contact me on 0720 123 273.
Okay. Cheers.